Welcome to our quarantine cook-off challenge. Today we're going to be cooking some Japanese food. These are my team members, Ali and Rosie.
How much did you spend?
I think we spent 148.
Here, I'll show you all the receipts. So we had a budget of $150 and we managed to spend grand total of
148.
148. So we've got $2 left over, but we do have one element that is quite special. You'll see it at the end, but this is the shop that we bought the element from.
Wow.
So you'll have to guess what that's going to be.
Okay, so what are you making again?
We're making Japanese food. We're making gyoza, vegetarian gyoza, and then we're making some tempura, and then some sashimi, and what else? And that's it.
And
sushi.
cold noodles.
And cold noodles, yeah, cold noodles.
And we have a mochi dessert.
And lychee
Cocktail.
cocktails.
All right, so enjoy your cooking, girls.
Thank you.
What are you doing, Ali?
Making sushi rice.
Sushi rice. What's all this, Ali?
We're making gyoza filling. So we're making vegetarian gyoza and then pork gyoza. So these are the ingredients and we have to saute them in the pan.
Some salt in there? Yes.
Where'd you go?
It looks so nice, girls.
Thank you.
That's pretty good, Ali.
Thank you.
Ali បង្ហាញគេហ៎ឲ្យគេចេះខ្ចប់នំហ្នឹងហ៎នេះលើកទី1ហ៎កូនធ្វើម្ហូបហ្នឹង
Yep.
លើកទី1ហើយសម្រាប់ក្រមុំទាំង3នេះធ្វើម្ហូបហ៎លើក That's Jess.
First attempt, only up from here.
Wow.
Oh, that's good. Okay, I need to
Ui,
do
dạ,
that.
Ali, con bật cái shop đó nè.
Wait, I'm gonna do that.
Mới Jessie mà mới đi nữa con. So you done, Ali?
Yep.
Hỏi nó nghe. Ôi, sạch đó nó. Bật cái shop đó vậy.
I reckon we're gonna need a lot more. Like someone's gonna eat all of that. One person's gonna eat like 5 each. You are.
You made those from scratch?
Don't film
Oh
it.
my
Ali
god.
did that.
Who did that?
Ali.
So messy.
That's your dinner support. And
That's
on
my
the,
dinner.
It's on the
Oh,
bench.
ngọt hai, bự mạnh tên nó. See, what are you doing?
I'm preparing the
sashimi.
Alright, well,
Sini,
we'll
ikan ang say salmon eh.
Yeah.
Wow.
What's your estimated time of...
This is your first time.
So, are we gonna
I think we'll leave it longer because well, that's not ready. It's still
លើកទី1បងរ៉ូស៊ីហើយជាត្រី salmon ហ្នឹង Wow, Rosette,
We don't need to boil.
you did it very well. Thank you. ជាបានស្អាតល្អណានេះមក
deep fry it.
គណៈកម្មការលៀម
Does this
Yes,
work for
that's right.
លៀមគណៈកម្មការជួយមើលទៅអីហ្នឹងអីញ៉ាំអី Hey, what are you girls doing? Train lines, all this. What are you doing?
We're building a sushi train.
Wow. Nobody know, only me?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's our surprise.
that's all the money go. Is it right?
It's only $29.
All right.
In the budget, still in the
In the
budget.
budget. Wow. Nice.
Get in, sushi train.
Oh, that's worth an extra point.
Sushi Japan.
Welcome to the Sushi Express.
No, you guys have got all out for point.
How much does that cost?
It's all within the budget. Yeah, it's all up everything.
You broke it from that.
Alright, eat before the food gets cold.
Oh, Nick.
Looking good.
It's all stuck around here for some reason.
I think it's, yes, I think it's getting stuck on this. Getting stuck on this.
Yeah, beat that.
Did you spend your money on that?
Yeah.
Jesus.
What are you saying, guys?
That's pretty cool.
Hey.
We've got some cold noodles here. Over here we've got vegetarian dumplings. We've got some salmon nigiri, cucumber vegetarian sushi, some sashimi, and then on this side we've got pork and chive steamed and deep pan fried dumplings, and a lychee martini.
Cheers.
Cheers!
Good job, ladies. Cheers.
Stressful 4 hours ago.
Why do people like cooking? Seriously.
Ours was pretty fun. Oh, well, not for you.
Was it fun? Was it fun?
No, it was okay. I would just get stressed by his mess.
I would say like fun factor 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10.
So you've done well, girls. Cheers. Thank you very much. Good job, Tim 2. And Tim 1 too.
That's a good name.
I'm glad we went first because if we went after this.
Asian, like same skin color, everything.
Did you make the dough for the dumplings yourself?
About little like
No, we bought one thing makers.
So it came in
That
like
would be
sheets?
mess-
Oh, so nervous. They have to be 8.1.
I've got 3. 2 more.
I haven't done mine.
Oh, honey, write it down.
They didn't have it at night out.
Whoa!
Oh, I didn't want to like put this left on there,
Yeah.
getting a card.
Whoa! I did
I knew that.
All right, so
Okay, I can tell you
here.
the highest score given was
Again, this is horrible.
was that
95.
9.5.
Oh, 9.5.
No Rosette voting.
The lowest
It's okay, I can take
was
from
this.
95.
7.
With a booger on it. And so they got 8.1. They got 8.4.
8.4. Okay, next week who's you want to
Liam?
do it, honey? All right,
You and
we'll see
Mama
you
are
next
out.
Friday.
See you next
គ្នា
Friday.
ថ្ងៃសុកទឹកក្រោយ
Not
bye
chewing
bye
pie.
bye